Hello everyone, welcome back to Techno Breako. Today we are diving into a critical topic, social engineering and how to spot and prevent attacks. Before we begin, if you find this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon button. So let's get started the video. So what exactly is social engineering? Well, it's not about hacking into computer directly, it's about hacking into people's minds. Social engineering exploits human psychology to manipulate individuals into reliving sensitive information or performing action they should not do. Think of it as the art of deception in the digital world. Why is social engineering dangerous? Why should you care about social engineering? Because it is dangerous. Unlike traditional hacking, which relies on technical vulnerabilities, social engineering bypass firewall and antivirus software by targeting the weakest link as the humans. Successful social engineering attacks can lead to data breaches, financial losses, and even identity thefts. Common type of social engineering attacks. Let's talk about some common type of social engineering attacks. Number first is phishing. We have probably received phishing email. They look legit, but they are designed to trick you into reliving personal information or clicking on malicious link. Number second one is wishing or wise phishing. These are phone-based attack. Scammer pretend to be from of your bank, the IRS, or tax support, aiming to contrast sensitive details. Number third one is smashing or SMS phishing. Similarly to wishing but via text message, be wary of unexpected link or urgent request. So now what is phishing? Let's focus on phishing. These attacks often come via emails. The bad guys impersonate trusted entities, bank, social media, or even your boss. They create urgency. Your account has been compromised. Click here to reset your password. Remember, always verify the sender email address and hover over link before clicking. Now, how to prevent social engineering attacks? Now, how you protect yourself? Learn about social engineering tactics. Train your team if you are in organization. Access control. Limit access to sensitive information. Not everyone need admin privileges. Be skeptical if someone peels up, verify it independently. Use technology to fight back. Leverage technology to stay safe. Use email filter to catch phishing attempts. Install browser extension that warns you about suspicious site. Use AI and machine learning. These technologies can analyze patterns and detect them. Remember, blocks vigilance is key. Stay informed, stay curious, and protect yourself against social engineering attacks. Thanks for watching. If you find this were you helpful, give it a thumb up and share it with your friend. Until next time, stay secure.